Hi, today I want to just give you a kind of a list of some things. These are things that I have canned and probably have on my shelf right now. I may be getting low on some, may have just run out of a few things. But for the most part, these are things that you would find in my pantry on any given year. You would find this stuff in my pantry. And so, you may have some different things that you stock in your pantry, and if you do, let me know what you stock. But these are things that I either can or vacuum seal to can and put in my pantry. So the first on my list is ground beef, roast, stew meat, sausage, bacon, chicken, chicken noodle soup starter, chicken stew, hamburgers, actual hamburgers, beef and vegetable soup, white bean chicken chili, Philly cheesesteak meat, then chili, just regular chili. And when I make my chili, I don't put ground beef in it. I put chunks of roast in it. Taco soup, pinto beans, Great Northern beans with bacon, lima beans, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, Alfredo sauce, tomatoes, tomato juice, salsa, pasta sauce, tomato soup, ketchup, barbecue sauce, green beans, okra, green tomatoes to fry later, mustard, pickles, that's pickled cucumbers, onions, beets, kraut, pickled cabbage, what I call a roast mix, greens, vegetable soup, and that's with no meat in it, sweet relish, dill relish, chow chow, carrots, garlic, peppers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, or some people say caramel, apples, peaches, pears, apple butter, Christmas jam, strawberries, or that's actually strawberry preserves, strawberry pie filling, peach butter, peach sauce, applesauce, strawberry sauce, apple pie filling, fried pie apple filling, or fried apple pie filling, I should say, blackberry jam, fig preserves, orange juice, tea, milk, half and half, heavy whipping cream, apple juice, lemonade concentrate, butter or ghee, and then walnuts, pecans, Brazil nuts, and almonds. Now, I would love it. I'd love to see what some of you all like to put on your shelf. On any given year, I might can, I have canned as much as 15 or 1,600 jars of things in one year. So I don't go to the grocery store. It's obvious by my list that I don't shop in the grocery store for canned foods. And matter of fact, I don't shop in the grocery store for much of anything. I buy a gallon of milk or maybe some cheese or butter or something like that in the grocery store, but I don't shop in the grocery store for much of anything. So tell me what you like to can during the canning season, or are you like me? I can all year round. Some people say, what do you can in the wintertime? Well, the wintertime's one of the best times to get cabbage and carrots, and there's lots of things. Your meats, your pinto beans, and those kinds of things, your taco soup, those are great things to can in the wintertime. And so I do a lot of that kind of canning in the wintertime so that when produce comes in through the summer months, then I can focus on, what's fresh out of my garden at that point. So I'm going to look forward to hearing what you all say that you like to can and keep in your pantry. And I want to ask all of you all to subscribe to my channel and like it, like my videos if you enjoy them. And I'm just looking, this is the farmhouse blanket that I just finished. Some of y'all saw that before I changed my channel, I was thinking about teaching some of this, and I may still at some point, but this is the blanket that I just finished. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video now, and I'm gonna look forward to seeing what you all are going to add in the comments that you like to can. So until next time, God bless you.